Leo Page at MarineMax in downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida, and today I'm going to show you aboard our all-new 2020 Sea Ray 190 SPX outboard. First thing you'll notice is the nice high freeboard on the sides, the 19 degrees of dead rise at the transom in the hull, and our unique running strengths that give Sea Ray its well-known ride quality and handling aspect. Stainless steel rub rail, stainless steel cleats all through the exterior of the boat. As we come around to the transom, you'll see it's powered by a Mercury 115 horsepower Pro XS series motor, perfect for doing water sports with the family. Big swim platform, easy boarding thanks to the 4-step stainless steel ladder located on the port side. As we come aboard, once again you'll see the nice oversized swim platform that's completely walk around. This vessel comes standard with a tow arch, nice large sun pad, integrated companionway with access to the cockpit, swim up cooler, so when you're in the water you don't have to get out to get in the boat to grab another drink, with a battery switch located underneath. Nice big Sunbrella sun top. You'll see it's a very well appointed interior on this boat. Nice flip up bolsters captain seat at the helm, very ergonomically laid out helm with integrated Simrad Go 5 in the dash. Very versatile passenger seat. So right now it's in the bench configuration, but it's easily converted to a forward-facing seat when it's just a couple out cruising. So we come around to the bow of the boat, you'll see Sea Ray brings their beam forward, giving a nice big bow area that a full-grown man can actually sit down and stretch his legs out on. Come by MarineMax, downtown Fort Walton Beach, Florida today to see the Gulf Coast's largest selection of new and pre-owned boats, or call me directly at 407-394-7623.